dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, today I'm with my girlfriend Maggie, and she's gonna do the intro today. Where are we going? I told you.
I don't know where we're going.
Thomas Iron Furnace. Say it.
Thomas Iron Furnace.
So I think that's it up there. I see ruins. So we're just gonna keep walking this path, and I'll let you know when we get there. So there's some ruins there, leading up to it. Alright, let's keep going this way. Alright, so there's a lot of ruins all over, so I'm just kind of like walking around the entire area. I'm not sure like exactly what's here. A lot of it looks really like run down, but
it's really rocky.
It's very rocky. But there's a ton of shit here. There's something cool back there. Look at that.
Where? Oh,
back there.
Wait, that's the thing you were talking about. The little hallway.
Let's go.
Thingy.
Let's go check there. Everyone go follow Maggie on Instagram. The link will be in the description.
What link? Oh, because you have it up there.
I'll put a link.
It's M-E-G-I.
Hey, give yourself a shout out.
It's not Megan, it's not Maggie, it's Maggie. M-E-G-I-H. No, okay, M-E-G-I-H _. That's me.
Go give her a follow. Yo, look at this.
Ooh. What's this? Go in there.
Not much. Let's we'll head back this way after. Let's go explore like this area. Sound good? Alright, let's go up this trail. Come up here. Come up here. That's the building we were at first. Alright, we're heading back down toward that bigger building. Holy shit, it's so windy.
Be careful.
It's a river. Oh, let's check it out.
That's so cool.
That's really cool. Go over here, come here. Go in this tunnel and look out. Take this off.
I would not do going up there. I'll tell you about right now. You hear me?
Oh, hang on. Now let's go. There's another building over there. There's people there. Right, let's see what's down here. If anything. That's just a little room. You guys can't see, it's kind of dark, but there's not much down here. There's a little tunnel here. Oh, it's flooded. I should have brought a flashlight. Can't see shit. Super flooded. Let's see if I can go around. It's completely muddy here. I'm gonna try to get to this dry part though. Let me turn the camera off and see if I could get farther. Alright, so I'm wearing sneakers and it's flooded here, but it looks like it goes back pretty far. Like, listen. Yo! So I'd like to come back with boots at some time and go farther back, see what it leads to. So let me know if you'd like to see that. So this was the tunnel here. I'm wondering if it like continues all the way through here. What do you think?
That's why it's up, obviously.
What, you think this is part of the tunnel? Let's see if at the end here there's an opening. Oh, it doesn't look like there's an opening anywhere here. So the tunnel this must have either built up or it was just a dead end. Not sure what it would have been used for. Unless, if you come over here, maybe there's something. I don't know. So I noticed some of these have writing on it. None of them are like pulled though. There's also something different. Let me go out this way. Alright, so I just went back there. I didn't record it, but there was a homeless person's camp set up, so I'm not gonna bother with going in there. So if you aren't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more abandoned videos coming soon, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. Also leave a like on this video if you enjoy it. Don't make fun of me.